Lower the capping station first. The wiper does not touch the carriage. Move the carriage out and check the height with the print platform. Install the printhead. Connect the wiring. Pay attention to the wiring direction. Apply acetate tape. Effectively prevent ink from entering the wiring. Fix the nozzle on the printhead bracket. Lock the screw. Install the second nozzle in the same way. Push the nozzle to check for looseness. First, insert the right side cable of the white ink printhead. Pay attention to the wiring direction. White ink printhead left cable. Pay attention to the wiring direction. CMYK ink printhead right side cable. Pay attention to the wiring direction. CMYK ink printhead left cable. Pay attention to the wiring direction. After receiving, take pictures and send them to the after-sales staff for inspection. After installing the nozzle, check the safety height again.